In the last video I posted, I showed you how to start potatoes in pots. It's now been about 30 days and the potato plants have grown tremendously. In this video, part 2, I want to show you what to do next when growing potatoes in containers and how to ensure a bountiful harvest. This is Tim from Organic Backyard Gardening. In the last video, we planted the potatoes near the bottom of the containers and only filled the containers about a third of the way up, covering the potatoes. It's now time to add more soil to the pot so the vegetation can continue to produce potatoes further up into the pot. I'm going to make a quick soil mix with some topsoil from the woods in my backyard, some unfinished compost, and peat. I'm then going to mix it all together. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This helps out the video and the channel. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. The trick is to then slowly fill the pots without breaking any of the stems. You can use a little container to make sure you're evenly spreading the soil around the plants. Give the pot a little shake to make sure everything gets down there evenly. Once your pots are filled, you're then going to want to add mulch. Mulch is important because it does a couple things. One, it keeps the soil moist, ensuring that the soil doesn't dry out. It also blocks any light from reaching any of the exposed potatoes. You don't want light or any exposed potatoes. If the potatoes are exposed, they'll turn green, and that's not good for eating. For mulch, you can use wood chips, grass clippings, straw, leaves. I'm using old rotted wood chips from a pile in my backyard. These are untreated wood chips that I chipped from old branches. Another free and great mulch is grass clippings. Just kind of work it into the plant and don't worry about if any of the leaves are covered. These plants are going to grow really tall. After this, make sure you give them a really good water. Now, as soon as the plants begin to flower, you may harvest fresh potatoes by putting your hand into the pot and pulling out potatoes. You can also wait until the plant starts to die in late summer or early fall. Once that happens, let up on the watering for about a week. Then you can flip the containers over into a tarp and easily harvest the potatoes. I'd also recommend saving the soil. You can use it next year with just amending a little bit of compost to it. If you like this video, you'll probably enjoy learning from my other videos, like this one in the top right, my complete composting guide for beginners. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe by clicking in the bottom right. See you on the next video, and happy growing!